In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. Yes, you heard me right. In less than 24 hours. And no, you don't need to go viral to do this. So this will be based on two things. One is going to be based on promotion. The other is going to be based on what is working right now with the YouTube algorithm with real practical steps. So let's dive right into it. If you haven't heard about my promotion, then you're new to the channel, so welcome. Okay, I run promotion to get you 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, and it's very easy. Real subscribers, because I don't know why you're struggling with 1,000 subscribers in 2025. Do you like struggle life? So if you're interested in this, send an email to stefanymikeworks@gmail.com and I will help you promote your channel and get you to 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. This is real. I've helped over 100 channels to do this. So yeah, it's real. Okay, now moving on to the algorithm part of this video. I know you've probably heard just post short and go viral. Yes, you have. But the truth is, you do not need to go viral to grow. You do not need to go viral. But you need to become the go-to person for something. You need to be known for something that people come to your channel for answer to a particular problem or solution to a particular problem. That's what people subscribe to. So step one is, what are you solving or showing on your channel? What are you known for? What's your channel known for? What do you do? Do you educate? Do you entertain? What are you solving? It could be tips, it could be tutorial, it could be storytelling or entertainment, but it must serve someone. YouTube is now pushing viewers satisfaction over views. So it doesn't matter how much views you get regularly. If a particular video is satisfying people, they watch to the end, the retention is very high. YouTube will push those videos. Those are the kind of videos YouTube are looking for. Videos that have high retention, that make people watch the videos from the beginning to the end. These are the things the algorithm is looking at. How long people watch a video. If they watch more of your video after that video, if they engage, that's if they liked, if they commented, if they shared. So the trick is to start every video with a hook that will hook the viewers to stay and want to keep watching. You could promise something irresistible at the end of the video that keeps them till the end of the video. You need to be good at storytelling, because once you master the act of storytelling, you'll be able to hold anybody's attention for as long as you want. Then always make sure you deliver your value fast. So now I'm going to be posting on the screen your 1,000 subscribers blueprint. Use these things on the screen. You can take a screenshot. This is something that will help you get 1,000 subscribers with your content. That is if you're not running promotion. But even if you're running promotion, you can also use this blueprint to continue building up your subscriber count. So you need to post 3 times a week minimum. You can mix short and long form. Every video must have a clear title, hook, and CTA. CTA means call to action, which is either subscribe, like the video, comment this and that, engage. Also, pin a comment that encourages interaction, which is ask what's your sub goal this month, something like that. Reply to every comment in the first 24 hours. It is very necessary. Use playlists to chain videos together, that is to make it binge worthy for people. This also increases your subscribers. Promote your videos where your audience hang out. It could be Facebook groups, Telegram communities, Reddit threads or Twitter, etc. Lastly, end every video with a CTA to binge another video or sub. For example, if you're serious about your growth, this next video will change the game for you. So this blueprint, use it while creating your content, while making your content, and you'll see the change in your channel. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a strategy for content that actually works. This helps with subscribers. It's the subscribers magnet. Screenshot it or write it down somewhere, but just use it. So these are strategies that generally help you attract new loyal subscribers. So we have the day in the life content, if this matches your niche, obviously. Behind the scene of your growth journey, you can show numbers, you can show failure, realness, also milestone videos. I got 100 subscribers in 7 days. Here's how. People love watching how people succeed so that they know how to do theirs. You can do challenge series, posting 30 shots in 30 days. What happened? Free value offer, which is give a downloadable checklist or a free template and ask people to sub before getting it. The point is give, give, give. The subscribers will follow you naturally. So if you're serious about hitting 1,000 subscribers in 2025, do not overthink going viral at all. Just focus on community, value, and consistency. Those are the 3 things you need to focus on. It's not about being perfect. It's about being present and persistent, because consistency is key. You need to be persistent. You shouldn't give up. Yes, it's hard. Yes, it's tough. The road is going to get bumpy, but I promise you the reward is worth it. Also, don't forget, if you want to run promotion, just send an email to stefanymikeworks@gmail.com and I will be here to help you get your 1000 subscribers in 24 hours. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching today's video. If this video helped you, do not forget to share to somebody that needs this help also. Share to a fellow YouTuber or someone that's just starting out YouTube so that they can get it right from the onset. Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. Do not forget to check the cards. I'm going to link video that will be helpful to your channel. Also check them out. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.